Hello, what the hell do you want, fatty?
Excuse me, listen here, I know I'm fat, okay? Don't make me mad.
Ha ha ha. What you gonna do if you get mad? Have a heart attack?
Listen, enough of this bullshit. How about we just hang out?
Well, I can't, I gotta wait for my wife to get here.
Why, hello there, Brian.
Hello the beautiful.
I'm gonna go and let you guys have some privacy.
So Brian, how have you been?
A lot better when you were gone.
Well, I never did anything to get you so up.
Yes you did, you left me with this mess you made in the kitchen.
Hey, you gotta do something too, you know. I work my ass off at my job and you sit around on your lazy ass all day.
Well, maybe you should quit your pathetic job and clean the house like a wife is supposed to do.
Listen here, you stupid slob. I got to work to make money for us and this is the way you treat me.
Yes. I will treat you this way till you learn to take some responsibility in the house.
Wow. I never met someone so selfish and idiotic.
Well, maybe you should get the hell out of my house before I shoot you.
Shoot me? Get out? What, you breaking up with me?
Yes. You stupid bitch, now get out.
You will pay, you will see, one of these days you will try and get back with me.
Not even in the fat ass's dreams.
Goodbye, Brian. Hopefully I'll never see you again.